Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax messages from your DOOGEE X95. So at the start you have to open a Play Store, then look for the fax app. Choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax. Add the permissions to the camera and to the files. Now tap on the little plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from your gallery, like this one. You can also select more than picture, of course. If you're ready, click import. Add this shape to your document. And if you're ready, click go. Now choose the filter for your photo. You can add a signature, text and the graffiti by these icons. Okay, if you're ready, click accept. Type the number in this place, choose the country. We can give a small note here. If you want to add more documents, maybe from the other source, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send only this one, click here, buy your credits, and that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.